male elephants, when they're young,
Mm.
sort of young adult, there is that masculine energy that needs to be kept in check by a senior male elephant or elephants. And there's this one particular example where they, whichever part of the world it was, where they, the senior male elephants had been poached or died, and there was just the young male elephant, and they just caused havoc, complete destruction.
Mm.
Um, and they solved it by bringing older male elephants into the pack, the herd. So there is something about masculinity, about the male essence, the masculine drive, which is dangerous. And toxic masculinity, which we talk about a lot, has part of that is involved in that. I think toxic masculinity is also, in the human sense, it's the relationship between the masculine drive and the masculine wounds polluting everything. So, but the masculine drive is dangerous if it's not. Now, an individual man might come along. I'm personally never been a hugely masculine, testosterone-driven kind of guy, which carried its own problems. Of course, my department of masculinity in my head always gives. I mean, I still have it. I still struggle with the fact that I'm useless at putting up shelves and parking the car and playing football. Things that men are supposed to be good at, I'm often not, and I continue to wrestle with that. But so there are certain things that a man might be somewhere along the spectrum. And actually that is your task that's my task as a man, is what each man should say to himself. Wherever I am on the spectrum between aggressive testosterone driven masculinity or passive, not very confident masculinity, my task is to embrace and enhance the other end of the spectrum in myself.
That's a good way of putting it. Really embracing both, maybe a little bit more feminine essence with the masculine essence, coming it together in a healthy, healthy pact. Okay.